So how do we actually fix our Razer Barracuda X dongle not working? Well, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to insert the dongle into my PlayStation 5, but of course you can insert it anywhere you want to, for example your PC as well. Well, now if it's not working for you, still even after you have inserted it, then what we're going to do, we're going to click on the power button on our Razer Barracuda X here, click and keep holding. So keep holding now, even the blue light here, just keep holding. Keep on holding until you can see the red light. So firstly it blinks purple and then it's gonna blink red and then stop. Now it means that it has been factory reset. So now you can once again click on the power button here. It's gonna say power on, pairing, and then you can release. And now the green light here will indicate that it's now paired, by the way. And if I click on my PlayStation logo here on my controller and go into sound, you can see it says that Razer Barracuda X is connected now. And the reason why it's connected is because of the dongle. So this is how I myself was able to fix it.